Whakatika ki te ora, whakatika ki te pai, he mana, he tapu.
Ka whakaora anō a Ngāi Te Ruahikihiki I tō rātou whenua.
Haumie, uie, tai, ie.
This is just the beginning of trying to restore Waihora to the majestic lake that it once was.
E harikoa ana a te runanga o Taumutu ki te tīmata I te hanga o te repo o Papatahora, he kūkū waihiranga ki te taha o tō rātou marae.
We've got our wetland construction works that'll begin later this month, and then further upstream, Papatahora, we're doing some rebattering to reshape some of these steep banks, riparian planting along one side of it, the length of it, and then parts of the other side to infill where the landowner upstream has already done tremendous planting of his own.
This is the start of the project, it's not the end of the project, it's a journey.
E ai ki te hea mana o te runanga a tākuta Liz Brown, kua ngaro I te waru te kaupai hēneti o ngā kūkū wai ki te taha o te roto o te Waihora. Nō reira he kaupapa pairawa atu tēnei mō ngā hapū noko nei.
Part of the project is also working with the local farmers, the private landowners, because Waikiki runs through their land, and so we've had to work with farmers to get them on board to be part of this project as well.
It's a good thing to do, that everybody working together.
It entails riparian planting along the Waikiki stream, so it involves them committing to working in partnership with us as well.
Ai tautoko ana ngā tāhuhu me ngā kaunihera taiao me te pūtea tautoko atu I te whāmiri o nā tāra.
It's funded through the Ministry for the Environment's Freshwater Improvement Fund and also through Environment Canterbury, but we also have a whole suite of other supporters. Being able to recreate something that was traditionally utilised within the area and then bring back that opportunity for whānau to continue their mahinga kai and connect in with their whenua is really important.
Ka mutu te kaupapa nei a te hune a te rātou. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.